Me not stooping low. Stop call me name. Cause when so good did I go, me never enter the line. Me enter the line late. When I pleasure. When so good did I go, me enter the line late. When I pleasure. It's a pleasure. And a joy. And everybody had it another in thing like you can't go up in any Jamaican restaurant, go order it on the menu board. So good. With tequila, shots, burger, cheese, fries, rice and peas, every blood clotting. It's so good. So me enter the line late. But uno for young girl we are gaga balls early. From BCC days that mean before Christ. I don't have no looks on the shape, no shouldn't over here in a story with no one girl over a blood clot, one boy no sick my stomach. That's what I hate to know. Because I want to make man feel like them are things. Let's come up to some like waste blood clot, girl. I want to make man feel like them are things. Because the man move on, you know, go move on blood clot too. What hard in that? You don't back up my tree. Wrong, girl, you come for. Because me not go cuss Marvin and you, me go cuss. I hang you like a dog. You look too pretty for over here and that. Look at your nice blood clot looking. I'm not going on a ship horrible like me. Are you over here? If I want to get a chat? You never want to chat? You never want to chat? Them said this and that and that. If I want to chat, don't call me name so good, girl. Because me are one of a kind. Like how you have a rarely, you see these things with me sucking cocky come like a scientist. I really discover things. Why not put me on my knee so easy? You understand what I say? And you know, so go easy. So I don't know who you attack half yourself. Because you say me and Marvin all of the past. You say me and Marvin all of the past. This is liar girl. So you must know what we talk about liar the one. Because I not look no man. I not catch no man. I am work. I not fucky. I not sucky. You want to talk about your ex-man, leave me name alone. Anytime I see this from my sister, me I draft up you, me I go for your docket and tell the world, boy, yo. Blood clot. You come like Cheryl. And Cheryl I walk and pay the whole Jamaica for an argument with me. Somebody play me like if I look blood clot pan. Anytime them come and them a cuss blood clot me. She call Nessa. Nessa go over the other side, go look. Sticking on a blood clot head over one pussy. Don't call me name. Cause TikTok. And I like one time again when you can come class people and catch cloud. As the story done and done. And the people them start die. The people them find out so someone have blood clot like that like make problem. So they now move gone away. The people them start to identify say it's pure lie and I like create problem. A pure lie on tell and create pure problem. Just to be seen. Can you imagine how me I done blood clot somebody from January and me don't have 1,000 in my balance. I treat you the Palamasha Marvin. You don't get that. Leave the people in. What the fuck you coming in for stinking girl? Blame rest on a pale on a walk and blood clot tail. For views and clout. If man move on with girl, not really not go on with your business, I'd move can't sit through that. If me see something it's not real, why more sit down for talk about it every second, every minute? I mean no nothing go so. Make it make sense. Sometimes TikTok just feel like the TikTok a mother off of my blood clot brain. So many people over here but not have no sense. You're too well invested, man. It not real. And nothing no go. So rest yourself now. When you come and call up my blood clot name for every minute, call my name. Marvin can't say nothing about blood clot. You know, say me a top girl. I pay more on a bills in a bitch. Oh. But you say, I like your blood clot, tell stinking girl. Marvin, I tell you, my roll guy word, I walk with my purse. You say, Marvin tell you this, and Marvin tell you blood clot that. Marvin, I tell you, so I got blood clot roll with my purse. Nobody tell you that. So I got roll with my blood clot purse. I mean, a blood, me ever have everything for my comfort. Everything I have for my comfort in my bag. My earpads, my cigarette, and my money in my blood clot purse. So if Marvin I tell you things, why Marvin I tell you that? Him should leave out that part there. Marvin don't tell you nothing. You just want to come in an argument with me and think you can't set me upon Marvin. You can't set me upon Medusa 1836. You can't set me upon nobody. Don't call me name. I wash out on the hole with cheese. And consecrate with olive oil. I put over a Bible. No pussy salt. I want to do with blood clot boy. I don't have no luck. The boy them can't have no money. Because no salt. The boy them do no salt. We have a salt pussy I walk with. Lily! The boy them do can't have the money. We have a salt pussy I walk with. No salt. We have crosses. No luck. We no pussy salt. Boy, they don't know them can't 7-11, them young boy, and boy take up some of them can't 7 our blood clot 11 our 35 our 83 because of no salt. Them can't hold no money, we're on no count no salt. That's no problem. No salt. Pay salt, girl. Salt to pussy clot. Like every time you buy blood clot 16, the man play 17. You want 9 and 11 bingo, the man call 10. Salt! I don't want to go look walk though. With your blood cut a big and kill, it's like a this in this year, you know. If Shanta did that, Shanta would have made the blood clot edges them, the edges them want make. Salt! You don't look some blood clot, you go sell a pussy out your mouth. Over here, and Marvin, like it's a scratch blood clot tape. Salt! Go get some good, you know, young. Look something doing, it depends on man too much. Go sell a pussy, go look work, though you careless and broke. You argue with me, Jankro. You know the same type of girls. Me's an independent blood clot girl. Any man me took up in this lifetime now the blood clot next. No, me's an independent girl. So I don't need you. Me like go look at myself. No bump with me. Me not really nice. So chat what's up? Shanik _ baby. Want chat me I look too money gun. Yeah. Food you want me, girl? Food me, girl, I can't make it something. My girl want my long time. You know, can't really ring my digits, my girl. The girl from over Instagram, you know. The girl name sit and like give me food. Trap me, I look something enter the ranking. We are trying so we can't take out the money gun them outside. The Lord will lose all fragment. Lily! Chat we want somebody with 5 money gun. We are look the swan them and the galaxy and the fireworks. Blood clot. 2 puss and the things them. Chat, we are trying, Andrea, we are trying to enter the rankings, chat. Yeah, we are trying to enter the rankings, them. We are trying to enter the ranks. We don't enter the ranks all now, whenever we see ourselves at 99. Blood clot, salt, get my back and scratch me. Me on a blood clot friend, no know if I'm now with bumbo. That tattoo, you know? Tattoo. Don't know if I'm the blood clot way. Leave my name alone. Chat, we are trying to enter the ranking. We are trying to enter the rankings. We are trying to enter the ranks. 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 I never want to do enough for the so cocky woman, no, not nice. I never want to do enough for but I rush like I'm come and work. I never want to let go Cheryl blouse. I want to let go her shirt, but I'm going to let it go. Yeah, I'm going to do what I have to do and let go that. Yeah, it makes sense. Because when you have to pay people for argue with people, you're weak. Somebody just do what I have to do and the things. But we in July, it's on July. So, I have to just try to get up the things now. 4 suit a uniform. And the khaki and the book them. You get my message. Saying what? What your message say?
Watching, guys, leave your thoughts and comments below.